Hey guys, I'm Fish, and you're watching The Fish Bowl. Alright guys, so one of the really cool things about living in Florida is it's always beautiful out. And today I am at one of our local beaches with my drone. So I'm going to put it up in the sky, try to get some aerial shots, and just kind of see what it looks like from the air. And yeah, I'll go ahead and put that on here too. I haven't uploaded a video from that yet, so maybe it'll turn out good, and maybe I'll do some more drone stuff. But I figured it's a nice day out, might as well come and fly it around a little while. Hope you guys like it. guys, so that was some drone footage. If you like it, let me know, so I know to do more. I don't get to fly my drone a whole lot, but when I do, it's a lot of fun. And if you guys like it, let me know, and I'll fly some more around. I don't know, there's some pretty cool places to fly around. But I hope you like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up to let me know. Alright guys, see you next time.